Welcome to our YouTube channel Uflyer. Today we have discussed some key points you should keep in mind while practicing IELTS speaking. For those who all are new to the channel, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you never ever miss an update. IELTS speaking is one of the most important modules. Here you have to be very calm, composed and focused. Any kind of hustle can lead you to a bad score. Here in this video we have discussed certain points which you should engrave in your mind while you practice speaking before you go for the exam. Watch the full video as it's going to ease your difficulties in IELTS speaking. So let's start with our video. There are a few points that needs to be highly focused on while practicing for the IELTS speaking test. 1. Grammar. Grammar is a major component during evaluation. The questions will be mainly on the past, present or future or comparatives, superlatives, opinion-based and so on. So you should mainly focus on grammar while practicing. 2. Structure. You should always practice according to format of actual test. It will be easy for you to manage the time during the actual test because you have taken the practice test with all the rules and regulations. 3. Fluency. IELTS speaking test is not about knowledge, it is about fluency. You should be able to speak spontaneously without any effort. Your fluency is high when you do not give long pauses. You have to practice a lot in order to speak fluently. You can use the sample questions or take up the practice test to speak English fluently. 4. Pronunciation. You can also get an extra score on the IELTS speaking test if your pronunciation of some difficult words is accurate. It is important that the examiner understands your pronunciation so that he or she awards high marks for your speaking. You can also use advanced English words if you want to get a good score. 5. Vocabulary. The examiner will look for good vocabulary when you speak on a topic. So it is advisable for the test taker to work on the vocabulary as well while practicing for the IELTS speaking test. Sometimes you may be at a loss of words when you speak. In order to overcome this, you can record what you speak and find out where you struggle while speaking on a particular topic, and then focus more to improve it. 6. Knowing your mistakes. Most people are not aware of the mistakes that they do while speaking. The mistakes may mainly be in vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. In order to overcome these kinds of mistakes, you can take up IELTS practice tests, record your performance, know your mistakes, and then try to overcome those mistakes. How to practice IELTS speaking on your own? You do not always need a partner for IELTS speaking practice, you can do it by yourself too. Here are some steps you can follow in order to practice the IELTS speaking test on your own. 1. You need to understand the format of the speaking test properly. Format of IELTS speaking was discussed in one of our previous video. Link is provided in the description. 2. You must understand how you are evaluated in the IELTS speaking test. 3. You must do a self-evaluation on the practice test given. 4. The evaluation of the IELTS speaking practice test must be done based on the following 4 criteria. 1. Fluency. 2. Lexical resource. 3. Grammatical range. And 4. Pronunciation. 5. You must try to find out the practice tests which are similar to the actual tests. For this, you can go through various IELTS speaking topics available online. Please let us know if you need sample speaking test. We will provide you in one of our future videos. 6. Record while you practice speaking. 7. You can use the same topic which had appeared in the previous IELTS exam. 8. Evaluate your speaking. 9. Once you finish recording, you can listen to it and find out the mistakes that you have made. 10. Once you find out the mistakes, try to overcome those mistakes so that you do not repeat them during your actual IELTS speaking test. 11. You can use contractions while speaking, like can't instead of cannot, as this is the way native speakers talk. This is all for today. Hope you liked the video. If you want a video on speaking evaluation criteria, please do comment down below and we will be there with a video. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can enhance your IELTS skills with informative videos like this.